Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to refer and earn in ZebPay application. This is going to be a very easy video to follow, so make sure to watch this video until the end not to miss any details in the process. So, how much can I earn through the ZebPay referral program? Well, users can earn up to 100 Indian rupees for each friend they refer who completes the KYC and trades for 500 Indian rupees. How can I invite friends to ZebPay? Well, you can simply invite friends to ZebPay by sharing your unique referral code. This code can be found in the referral program section of your ZebPay account. How can I track my referral earnings? You can track your referral earnings in the referral program section of your ZebPay account. Here, you'll be able to see the numbers of referrals, the referral bonus earned, and the trading volume of your referrals. Are there any restrictions on who I can refer to ZebPay? There may be some restrictions on who you can refer to ZebPay. Some countries may be restricted from joining ZebPay and therefore cannot be referred. Additionally, you cannot refer yourself or use multiple accounts to earn referral bonus. Now, if this method hasn't worked for you, maybe there's a chance that it has been discontinued in your region. Make sure to search for this topic and then contact support in case they have any issues. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.